Hello students, let's go over the squeaky ringtone. Okay, you're going to use the table to find the missing values. All right, so it looks like we have a number of text sent and then the total bill after you've sent all of these texts. So it looks like we're increasing and increasing. Now, how can you find a change? How can you find a relationship from this number to this number? Now, most of the time when you're dealing with money, you want to do the price per item. Okay, so I'm gonna write that down. Most of the time when you're dealing with money is you want to divide the price per item because that's going to be the cost rate or the rate of the text. It's going to be one of the numbers you're trying to find. It's called the rate or the price per item. So let's do that really quick. Just find a couple of matching numbers and let's do some division here. So let's just pick the first one. So if I take 33 and 30 cents and divide by 222 text messages. Let's see what I get here. $33.30 divided by 222. Oh, looks like it's going to be 15 cents. 15 cents per, remember division can be the word per sometimes. 15 cents per item. 15 cents per text message. So now that I know it's 15 cents per text message, that's basically what's going on here. So going this way across the table, it's times 15 cents. Going backwards across the table, it's divided by 15 cents. So I'm just kind of using little ratio smarts here to fill in the blank. So if you spent $48.75, how many texts did you send? 48.75 divided by 15 cents. Oh, I sent 325 text messages. Okay. If I send 378 text messages, how much is that going to cost? Now, a little common sense thing is to see if the numbers kind of make sense. Well, this is the biggest number, therefore $56.70 would make sense. It's the biggest dollar amount. So to check to make sure you either multiplied or divided correctly is to see if your numbers kind of make sense in the row. Like if I had gotten a really, really small number here, that wouldn't have made sense. Or a super duper crazy large number wouldn't have made sense. This seems to kind of fit with the data set. All right, the final move, to fill in the blank and then to also make an equation. What would be the equation? Well, y equals ax, no spaces. So I would type in here y equals 0.15x with no spaces, just like that. I think I have it set up where you should have the 0 in there, just for spatial sense reason. Just because this doesn't look that great. Okay, that's not wrong, but it just doesn't look that great. That 0 kind of gives you a little bit of space, just so the equal sign and the decimal are not right next to each other. So this would be the best way. I think I do have it set where this is okay as well. Remember, Schoology's picky, but this would be the best way. This would be the not as best way. Okay, that's about it. So again, the number one thing to do is if you're ever given a number of items and a price is to take the price divided by the items to find the per item rate. That's the word I was looking for earlier. Okay, that's the squeaky ringtone.